My name is Loit Kumar Reddy Moram Reddy Gari. I'm the project manager for this current week for the assignment number 2, organization structures, and our team name is Allied Engineers. Uh, and my team members are Ehi, Chris, Oscar, Rohit, Jack, and Zoheb. Moving on to the goals for this assignment, we need to develop the organization structures for the startup company and a long-term company based on the success of the startup that's producing the research results. Uh, there are 4 types of organizational structures we can choose from. Those are functional organization, pure project organization, matrix, and mixed organization. Coming to the functional organization, it uses a functional department as a home for the project group, and project itself will not be on much focus. There will be flexibility between functional and project work, but the command will be weak on the project. For the pure project organization, it's a self-contained structure which has a dedicated administration and technical staff. And coming to this one, the complete focus of this structure will be on the project. Drawbacks will be duplication of resources may happen. For the matrix organization, it incorporates all the advantages and none of the disadvantages of functional and pure project organizations, and it allows for the simultaneous engineering and integration of multiple functional specialties from both of them. But there'll be like a delicate power balance between functional and project managers, and scheduling becomes a little bit difficult. For the mixed organization, both functional and pure project structures exist, and in this organizational structure, large projects may become independent organization. It can also be used for the short-term projects that do not justify matrix organization structure. Uh, for the startup company, considering all the advantages and disadvantages from the 4 organization structures we have, we decided on the pure project organization for the following reasons. It has more focus on the project with dedicated staff. It simplifies project communications, and there'll be only one goal, so we'll be more committed towards the project. And the personnel allocated for the departments are: for the marketing, Rohit; manufacturing, Rohit, myself, Zoheb and Rohit; for the finance, Chris and Jack; research and development will be Ehi. You may ask why pure project organization and why not the other 3. Uh, we didn't choose the other 3 because for the functional, because the system is not much focused on the project, and it applies to projects that works on a large scale. And for the coming to matrix, it's a complex system for a startup project, and requires a personal overhead, and allocation of resources becomes difficult. For the mixed organization, it will be difficult to track the deliverables and set the deadlines, and it becomes too complex for just the startup. And there may be continuous administrative intervention to resolve conflicts, and it will waste some time and effort. Coming to the long-term future organization, we decided to go with the matrix organization system. Uh, uh, the reasons are it allows for the most effective utilization of resources, allows for projects to grow slowly as opposed to spinning out the entire project at the start. Uh, while it will still allow the project manager to be in control, and it optimizes people, and it's more flexible uh, compared to the other. Uh, when you see the on the screen, we have 3 projects listed out. Uh, in the matrix system, at the start, there will be more allocation of resources for some departments like manufacturing and R&D. Uh, when we move on to the coming project, similar projects which we'll do in the future, we don't need to invest as much as compared to the first project because there'll already be uh, the equipment available and the personnel who are experienced. And we didn't choose the other three because functional it's not suitable for the long term, and it's a scattered approach, and it has poor integration between the departments. Pure project creates more duplication of resources that's wasting much of the effort, and it stunts the growth of the team members, and it's not suitable for the long term. For the mixed, it's like we need to hire more people at the beginning of the project. That's required more overhead in the finance department, and there'll be some conflicts between the departments, which will waste some time and effort. And it's like suitable for the long-term projects uh, that may spin off from the company and into a separate entity. Um, and that concludes our presentation for the assignment 2. Uh, define the organization structures for the startup and long-term future organizations.